Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download Minecraft on your iPhone. All right, so let's begin with the video. So go ahead and click on the App Store, just like so. Then what you need to do is go to the bottom right and click on Search. Next, go to the top and type in Minecraft. After you've typed it in, go and click on Search. Then scroll down, and the one we're looking for is this one here. It's by Mojang. Now, what's important to know is that Minecraft is a paid game, and in different countries and regions, it's going to cost different amounts. In the United Kingdom, it costs $6.99. So all you need to do is go and click on it like this, and then we can start paying. Simply choose how you want to pay, and then you need to confirm by double-clicking. Once you paid for the game, it should now start downloading. The size of Minecraft is 1 gigabyte, so it may take a bit of time to download. After it's finished downloading, you can then go and click on Open, and there you go. So that's basically how you can download Minecraft on your iPhone. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.